Okay, we have come to the Hoover Stairs. First, this new mural, fairly new mural that came in 2017. This fish, this brightly colorful fish. And then this is the Hoover Stairs. 38 steps. If you go left or right, doesn't matter. Beautiful mural. Some asshole taggers have tagged this, but the city is pretty good about getting rid of all the graffiti that unfortunately is here some of the time. So this beautiful staircase, I wish these damn asshole taggers would stop. I always go left, but either way it's a beautiful staircase. Short. And there's a sign, well, we'll just get closer. There's a sign that says Hoover Walk or Hoover Stairs, built in 1923. We are in Silver Lake / Franklin Hills. At the top of that hill, this street is Prospect Avenue. The Prospect Stairs. At the top of the hill is the top of this Prospect staircase.